everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and this is another reading. I've got three candles here, the green candle, and I have the white candle, which is pile number 2, and I have the red candle, which is pile number 3. This is a love reading. I'm doing past, present, and future in your relationship, or how does he feel, or how does she feel, and what is the situation if you're in a relationship, or if you're going to be in a relationship, how it's going to be like in the future if you've already seen that person. I'm using Romance Angel cards, and I've already got three piles. I've kept them separately. So pile number 1 is the green candle, pile number 2 is the white candle, and pile number 3 is the red candle. So I'm going to start with pile number 1. I want to do a past, present, future. It's a short read. I wanted to know, what is he feeling, or is she feeling, or how are you feeling in the relationship? Maybe you get a better clarity. Remember, guys, this is a general reading. Like I always say, might or might not resonate, and if it doesn't resonate, it's fine. Let the message fly away, and let's see what's your reading. So I'm going to start with the past. This is your past card. It says give your relationship a chance. I feel in the past you've given your relationship one chance. I feel you've given your relationship two chances. That's what I feel, and that's I feel you always end up giving your relationship a chance. If something is not going right and you two break away for some time, you always come back because you cannot stay away from each other. And I feel a lot of loving feeling. I also feel miscommunication about something between you two. I also feel you belong together, but it can't be a situation where you have to cry wolf and the person comes back again. I feel you need to work on the relationship, and I also feel you've already given two chances. I feel this is the third chance, and this is the final chance. It's like the final call to the relationship, a wake up call that one of you, whoever's not going right in the relationship, or probably both of you, you have to work on it. And this might be your last time together when you can mend the relationship. So people who've chosen pile number 1, which is the green pile, in the past you've given your relationship a chance. You've given each other a chance. I think you also there was a breakup, and you did come back to each other, and I think you've been seeing each other for long. So it wasn't a relationship which was 1 year old. It's a relationship which was more than a year old, and it was a very strong relationship. A lot of attraction, a lot of chemistry, a lot of understanding, a lot of care is what I want to say. Maybe that's why it's very difficult for you to break away from each other. And even one of you, if he says or you say that I'm going to walk away and I will never come back, but I think that never happens. You always come back to the person. So that's the past. Let's see what's the present. True love. This is romance of a lifetime. Yeah, guys, this is true love, because I feel there's a lot of care and understanding. That's what I felt, and I think you guys are back together, or probably this was your last chance, and you really worked things out. And if the question in your mind while listening to this reading was, is the person really my true love? I think that person is your true love, and all the feelings that you're feeling sometimes. Like, we do not understand our feelings, we don't even understand what we're feeling, and we feel really strong for the person. So I get a little soulmate card right now. I get a little twin flame, and I want to say that this is your true love, and please give your relationship another chance, and this time really work on your relationship and don't break away, because probably, I don't know, I've not seen the future card, but this is probably you have a future together. Probably you're going to get engaged, or probably going to get married. So this is not just a casual relationship. I feel this is a very committed relationship. So please sort out your differences is what I want to say. Let's see what's the future card. I've not seen it. Reconciliation. I told you the future looks great, and I love it. I love the feeling. So green candle, the people who chose pile number 1, you're going to be back together, and the chemistry that you were missing, or the care, or the love, or probably one of you was thinking that the other one is not making much of an effort, but I think you're back again together. And I feel a lot of love, and this person is not going to go from your life. Like I told you, I get a very soulmate energy from this card. So in the present, I think there's a reconciliation. You are talking to each other. You are going to make up very soon. That you're going to be back with each other, and there'll be no fights, or even if there was a fight, everything will be resolved, because this is the future I'm talking about, and you're going to be back together. And it's a very dreamy state. You really love each other, and it's like a very dreamy romance. A lot of a lot of attraction, chemistry. I'm getting a lot of loving feeling when I'm holding this card. So pile number 1, that was a fantastic reading. That was green candle. I'm going to move on to pile number 2, and that's white. Let's see what's your past, present, and future. I'm taking the cards right now in my hand. So let's see if this one will be different. And the first pile was very different, and let's see if this relationship has anything different to say, or is similar to the pile number 1. So white. This is for the white candle. I'm going to start the reading. The past. Oh, retreat. It says retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. I think you disconnected from the world in the past. You've already done that. Maybe that's why it's come reversed. You're disconnected from a relationship, guys. You're disconnected from the person you love, and you thought you're not meant to be together. I don't know why I get that. If you've chosen pile number two, which is the white candle, it's very different from the first one. Guys, you can get attracted to two colors. That's fine. Just see which one resonates more with you in your situation, because this is a general reading. It's not a specific one. So might be that two colors resonate with you later on, or if you've chosen white, maybe red resonates more, or maybe green resonates more. So I feel that you did disconnect from people. I also see a broken heart. You were left with a broken heart, and you disconnected with the world and everybody. And I think because this is a past, so you've healed from this situation, and you don't feel lonely anymore. And I got a lot of sadness when I'm holding this card, or when I was thinking about the couple here. It's almost like walking, going two different ways, two different paths, and that's been done with. That's been dusted with your this relationship. I think you guys have broken up, is what I get. But let's see what your present card is. Maybe this was somebody from the past. Maybe your present is totally different. There's a very different, person in your present right now, or in your future. So that's your past. And I did feel a lot of sadness. I felt a lot of tears rolling down, or you did miss the person. And I feel you still do miss the person. So let me see what is your present right now. What is your current situation, your relationship? Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. I'm telling you, this is somebody new in your life, or somebody new is coming into your life, because this is about a present. I think you've forgotten, though you do miss your ex, but I think you've forgotten your ex, and you're ready for a new relationship. This is your present state of mind, or I think there is already a love in your relationship. The person has already entered your life. There's a lot of passion in the relationship, and I think. The other person made a move, or the other person did propose. That's what I feel. And I also feel you met very recently, because this is a very present card. I also get a very recent meeting between two people, and suddenly out of the blue you met somewhere on social media, online, or were introduced through a friend, or by chance you met this person. I get a very by chance. That's the channel message I get, that though you were destined to meet the person, but it was so by chance that you don't even think about it. You're like, my God, I didn't know that I'm going to meet you here. Or could be online, while chatting, and or you were introduced to this person through a friend. So that's the situation I get. That's the present for you guys. And I think it's a beautiful relationship. There's respect, there is love, there is care, and the guy. It's a very the guy's going to be very gentle. That's what I get. A very caring, very gentle guy. That's what I get from this card while I hold it. Let's see what's your future, guys. This could be the one. You already met the romantic partner, you see. So you actually met the guy. You have a lot of passion for that guy. In the present, you've met that guy, and this is the one you're going to get married to. So if you chosen the white candle, guys, you did break away from your past relationship. It was an ex. It did leave you teary eyed, and there were a lot of tears rolling down. That's what I felt. And you are already involved with someone. It's already very passionate and romantic, and I think this is the guy for you, or this is the girl for you, whichever way you want to see it. And I also see kids, so this is going to lead to marriage. So I feel this particular card is really about serious commitment, committed to each other, a lot of trust, a lot of understanding, and the foundation is very strong. I get a lot of four number while I hold this card, because that's a number of stability. And this is the person. If you in your mind was asking yourself, is this the person? Should I get married to him? Should I get married to her? I really think you need to get married to the person. Guys, this is a general guidance. I'm putting you on the right path. It is not necessarily if I'm saying you have to get married to the person, you have to get married to the person. I'm just talking of possibilities, okay? It's always about higher chances, tarot, psychic, whatever you want to do. I want to say numerology, anything. It's about higher chances of those things happening. Nobody, like I said, can say 100%. Only God can say 100% what is going to happen. So I'm going to move on to the third candle. That's a red candle, color of love, like I'm going to say. So I've got your past, present, and future cards in my hand right now. So let's see if this pile is really different, because first one is a little different. Green pile, the white pile had different messages. Now let me see if the red pile has different kind of messages. So the past. finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your life right now. So I think the person you involved with, or it is you really worried about your finances, and there's not much time to love or give love. You're busy working. You're really working hard. Probably, I feel you're working 15 hours a day, and you don't have space for anybody else right now. And I feel it's still carrying on. You know, the finances that were troubling you, you're still wondering, should I make space for somebody to come into my life, or I still have to work hard, and there's space for nobody except hard work in my life. My financial condition is not okay. If I start seeing someone, if I have to be committed, will I have the finances to take care of myself and the person? So I get, if you've chosen this pile, this is your past situation. A lot of why and should I don't have the time, I'm very busy making money, I don't have enough money, I don't have funds, I cannot give the other person presents, I don't have time for myself. So all these questions I get in my mind, and I feel this person is really working hard, really working hard, so the person can make a future. And then I'm going to say, in the present or in the future, at least start seeing someone, have time for the other person when the person is not really bothered about just finances. That's what I get. So that was a past situation. Too much thinking about money, your career, and probably it's about career also. You didn't have time for love in the past, and you thought maybe once you're stable and once you reach somewhere, probably you had a lot of goals in your mind, that once I reach at a point, or I've crossed a certain milestone that I set for myself, then it's time for me to love, and not now. So that's what I get. Let's see, what's your present situation? Great, guys. You're going to meet your soulmate. So this is also a really fantastic reading. So present is very good for all of you guys. Whoever's chosen whichever candle, it's a nice read. So thank God there's no separation card. I almost worried about it. Uh, yes, this is your soulmate. So if you've chosen the red pile, this guy is your soulmate, this girl is your soulmate. You will feel it, you will know that this person is your soulmate. There'll be an instant connection. Even if you've just met, you will know that you are so comfortable with the person. You don't really have to talk for the sake of talking. There'll be so much in common. It's almost like knowing each other for so many lives, guys. And that's how, when you know a soulmate, that's how it feels, that you've known a person for so many lives. You spend time with each other, not just in this life, but in lives before. And yes, a lot of common things. Recognizing each other's soul before you recognize that yes, you've had a relationship before. So this is your soulmate. And if you had this question, that is he or is she my soulmate or not, guys, it's a big yes. I get 11, I get 22. Those are two numbers that I get. And if you've picked up this pile, and if you've chosen this color red, I also feel a lot of synchronicities that you see in life, or repeating numbers, like we call the angel numbers, like 111, 222, 444. I think these three numbers you should be seeing if you've picked up this pile. I get a lot of four energy in this one. I don't know why I want to say that today. Reading is all about four, but I get three fours and I get two fours. So a lot of fours in this reading is what I get. So this is your present situation. This is your current situation, which is fantastic, which is brilliant, guys. You've met your soulmate, or you're just going to meet your soulmate. Either way, it is really good, worth waiting for in the future. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So you are going to meet your soulmate. God is going to put your soulmate into your life's path. In your life, your paths are going to meet if you still, like I said, haven't met your soulmate. And this relationship is worth waiting for. So if it's not just a soulmate relationship, guys, and if you're really going around with someone, and if you're thinking, should I wait for the person? Should I should this thing get more serious? Is it about love, or should I take this relationship forward? Yes, it is this whole the beautiful thing that you have, the romance between two people right now. I think you need to wait for the other person to propose, or you need to give the other person time. Maybe it's worth waiting for. Or maybe there was a question in my time that the other person doesn't have time for me. Remember, it started with, in the past the person didn't have time, or probably then fell in love, or you still wondering that, will I be able to give time to the other person? So this pile is all about time. And I want to say, because the soulmate card was there, you this whole relationship, or it's worth waiting for the person. And do wait for the person to come into your life. And this person, or if this person is really in your life, I think you need to give this relationship a time. You have to give this relationship some time and see where it goes, or where it takes you. So this is a beautiful read, and I love all the three piles that I did. This is a mini read. So this was past, present, and future in your relationship, guys. And let me see if I want to give any colors that I want. I'm just putting, just trying to pull my love box that I've kept the charms in. Oh, that's nice. I just changed it, and what a coincidence! It's a love box, and I just changed my charm box today. So for all of you, I want to say for all of you, I'm going to give one lucky color. Blue. Blue always comes in my hand because blue is my. I love blue. You know, that's my favorite color. So blue finds its way somehow or the other in the reading. So blue is a fantastic color for you guys. I'm going to give a number. Let me see. I'm going to roll a dice and give a number. Seven is also a good number. Since yesterday, I'm seeing a lot of sevens and fours. That's what I've been seeing. So 7 plus 4 is actually 11. So brilliant. So 7, 4, 11, and I also said 22 or 4. I think those are important numbers for you. I think you guys will be seeing a lot of repeating numbers, especially it was for people who've chosen the red pile. I think guys, you're going to see a lot of repeating numbers. So thanks so much to listening for listening to this reading, and I'll be back with another reading. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button like I always say, and do put the comments in the comment box. I also read the comments and I enjoy reading the comments, and also suggest what kind of readings or predictions that you would want me to do, and I will do those predictions. So I'll be back again. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.